How to log in into Shell credit card account online. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in Shell credit card and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Click on the very first one. Open it. You will be directed to the login page. You can use the Shell credit card to pay for gas and non-fuel purchases inside Shell convenience stores. The Shell credit card, on the other hand, can be used anywhere MasterCard is accepted. That is virtually anywhere in the world where credit cards are accepted, as MasterCard benefits from extensive worldwide acceptance. Once you land to the login page, now you have to provide your credentials. So firstly, type in your user ID and then type in your password. In the case you want to remember your user ID, check in for this option, Remember my user ID. In the case you have forgotten your user ID or password, you can click on these options to recover it. Once you fill this, click on the option of Sign On, and with that you will be logged into your account. So this way you can easily log in into Shell credit card account online. If you haven't registered for your account yet, you can click on this option and do that. So that's all for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.